Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Walk in the Woods once again, and this is the sweet little encouragement card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Walk in the Woods once again, and we're going to be using Everything Will Be Okay in this little leaf. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And first we're going to cut and then we are going to emboss. And I have a piece of Berry Vanilla and then a piece of Garden Green. And just going to put the Berry Vanilla with the nested labels. And we'll run those through. Alright, and then I have a piece of terracotta tile, and I have the Pinewood Planks embossing folder, and I'm going to put it across, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And we'll run that through. Alright, that's all that we're using the Big Shot for. And then look at that. Oh, I love this embossing folder. Alright, so let's do our stamping. We're going to take the Berry Vanilla, and then the leaf is mounted on clear block B. We're going to come in with the terracotta tile ink pad. And I just want it right here on the left side. And now we're going to get our Garden Green. And the sentiment is also mounted on clear block B. So just like that. Now let's put this card together. Our card base is Garden Green, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to come in with my tape, and I have the Forever Greenery ribbon and then the Ornate ribbon. These are both combo packs. But I really liked the way that they looked together. So we'll just cut a strip off those. And we're going to put this across. And I like it this way, so it's your preference, whichever way you want to do it. Alright, so just like that. And then I'm going to bring in my silicone craft sheet because I like the way that the Stampin' Seal goes. Let me roll that a little bit. It goes so much smoother when there's a little bit of cushion behind it. So. Alright, so we'll put this on the front of our card. Roll that over. And then we're going to get our sentiment. And we're going to mount it on our garden green. All right, just like that. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and like I had told y'all the other day, I'm going to use some of my end pieces here. And so here you can see that they are a tad too long, but that's no problem. I'm just going to trim off the ends. And then we'll peel the backs off like regular dimensionals. All right, so we'll place it down here. Next, I'm going to come in with my champagne rhinestones. And I'm going to get my bigger one here. And I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to get the next size, put it right here, and then the smaller size. And put it right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple card of encouragement. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!